Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel and I hope everyone is doing good. I got a package came in, so let's go and check it out. So here's the package that I've been waiting for, and I can't wait to get it started and get it installed. So what do you guys think? What's inside the box? All right, so you guys gonna find out in a bit right here. So let me go get my knife and let's remove all these tape right here and open up. Alright, I can't wait. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's see here. Okay, looks like all the hardware. It's on the manual. Here's the other piece. Alright, here's the main one. Hey, well, you guys get the idea of what it is. So I got myself a replica Vortex Type 3. You know, of course, I can't afford the real deal. It's cost me $3,000. So this should do the job. It's not that heavy, but yeah, I can't wait to get it started and hook it up. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, okay, so here's the post, the one that holds the spoiler. All right, let's go ahead and set this to the side and let's get it assembled. I got everything taken out, and here's all the layout. Alright, this is the side for the spoiler. Here's the post. This is the piece that connects the two blade. Alright, and here is for the mounting for the trunk. Alright, and here is the two blade. Alright, so what kind of material is this spoiler? It's not fiberglass. Is some heavy duty plastic, so it's pretty thick. Alright, so that way, you know, it will last a little bit longer. Alright, but yeah, it's pretty simple. There's going to be some drilling involved. You have to drill some holes, that way you can mount this piece right here. so that this two blade it could connect together. All right, drilling is going to be involved, and rivets. All right, you gotta have a rivet tool. So I have one in the toolbox, and there you go. Here's all the hardware that they provide. All right, so I'm just going to use what they gave me, and hopefully it's a straightforward process. All right, so let's go ahead and get it started. First thing I'm going to do is remove the factory spoiler. All right, so it shouldn't be too hard. It should be right here. All right, both sides. And I'm gonna have to disconnect these wires for my third brake light. Yeah, it should be straightforward. Alright, let's remove all this. Alright, so there's like two bolts. One up here, one down here. I thought it could be size 10, but it's not. It looks like it could be, I don't know, probably 8 millimeter. But yeah, we find out. So let's go ahead and remove that. Okay, so I double check. It is size 10 millimeter. All right. All right, I remove all the nut. I dropped one, and it's somewhere around here. So, oh man, it's gonna be a pain in the butt trying to get out. Anyways, I'll worry about that later. I'm just gonna have to disconnect the wire. So I'm gonna have to remove all these plastic panels here. Okay, I traced these wires right here. The black and green that goes to the third brake light, and this wire right here seems like it goes to the latch. So I'm just gonna leave that for now. So just focus on this black and green wire. So came up to be right here. So I'm gonna have to take these tape out and see if I can just disconnect from that. Hopefully not too hard. Okay, so what I did is I cut the green and black wire and then put an electrical tape. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix this area right here. Just wrap around with electrical tape. That way, you know, it doesn't contact and short everything else. So that would be a huge nightmare. Okay. So this wire right here stay the same, and I should able to pull the spoiler out. Yeah, it's kind of loose, so I'm gonna put the trunk down and ply it and then go from there. Finally got the wing out. It was stuck on there because of the double-sided tape for both ends, and so now the trunk is like super light. Alright, so let's look at how's the car look like when it's wingless. Not too bad, huh? Nah, I think I prefer with the bigger spoiler. Something look a little bit more aggressive, like a race car. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to work on the mounting bracket. Alright, I'm going to start drilling the 6 holes right here. Everything is all set up. According to the sheet right here, it does not say, or actually it didn't give any nuts and bolts, so that I'm gonna have to provide my own. So I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot or something and give me some nuts and bolts. But at the meantime, I'm gonna drill some holes. I don't want to make it too big yet. I'm just gonna start small and work my way up, because just never know. Rather be safe than sorry. Alright, so yeah, I might as well just go with this small one right here. And work my way up. Alright, finished drilling. These materials are easy to drill, so I can make the hole a little bit bigger if I have to. But for now, I'm just going to leave it like this. Like I said, I just want to play safe for now. Alright, so here's a little rubber gasket that they provide, and just like that. Alright, so the next thing, I'm gonna install these posts and work my way up. Other thing, these are polarities. So the R is for the right, and this one should be the left. All right. So let's go ahead and let's install this post right here. It doesn't say left or right, but it should be all right. All right, it should be something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna figure out. I'm just gonna go with the picture here showing, and go from there. Okay, so for the post, 3 and 4 is using M612. So I'm pretty sure is these right here. I don't know about these small rivets here. I'm gonna have to find out. All right, so it's gonna look something like this. All right, according to the instruction, the post is on the outside. Okay, it's not tight. Everything just hand tight now. That way I can work on to the other side, and like I said, work my way up. Make sure these 3 holes right here is facing up. That's the way. That's the part that, you know, the blade, you can adjust the angle. All right, so I just got done tracing around the pattern. All right, and then I'm gonna probably get something and just tap it from the top side. That way it will make a mark. That's where I'm gonna drill the hole. And so I went and double check the measurements, make sure that it will even to the other side. I just got done doing the center punch for both sides, and I'm just getting ready to drill and no turning back, and I just hope that everything works out. All right, I got the spoiler installed now. Everything is all nice and tight. I decided to use some rivets. Guess that, you know, that's my option, and it's pretty easy to remove anyways too. So the only part I have left is for the side, and there's another piece that goes on top of the blade here, and that should complete it, just like that. All right, I am done with the last piece of the spoiler or the brackets all coming along very nicely. I like it. I was thinking about put some front canards on it. That should complete. Not exactly complete, but the front, maybe the side canard, but for sure the missing piece is right here, right in the bottom right here, and that's going to be another video. All right. Oh man, I love it. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video right here, and if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and help me out. I need more subscribers. But yeah, there's going to be more modification DIY coming soon too, so yeah, I love the way how it looks right now. It could be better, but every person is different. Every person have their own taste. So this is mine. You like it or not? Oh well. All right. So I see you guys at the next one. You guys take care. See ya.